You are going to love the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.